Discover a new take on modern design with Global Minimalism. This style combines the simplicity of modern design with the beauty and richness of natural materials. Create a streamlined look with a neutral color palette and linear shapes. Enhance the design by pairing stone tile that brings texture to the table. Balance polished tile with raw finishes for an eclectic look. Warm up the room with wood and wood-look accents. Opt for light or medium shades to keep the style fresh and modern. Matte black accents complete a global minimalist space. The finish is simple and timeless. There you have it. For a look that's well-traveled, choose materials that are influenced by different natural elements around the globe. Achieve global minimalism with subtle, textural details and none of the clutter.